Ooh, welcome man, welcome back to the channel. Ooh, y'all see that? That 392 Hemi. Boy, that is sweet. Scat pack. Look at that, guys. All right, this ain't what I came out here for. It's dirty. It need to be washed. It's brand new. They haven't even PDI'd it yet. Plastic still on it. Well, anyway, this ain't what I came out here for. I'm looking for a 2010 Charger. Here's it right here. The Hemi, guys. Recall, time and chain recall. This has a Hemi in it. Look at that. I'm blocked in, guys. All right. You know what? This is a good chance to show y'all how I don't need no stinking key. We about to shift override this thing out of my way, guys. All right. First of all, so I can get my information right. This is a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now, without the key, there's still a way to get the shifter into neutral. It's called shift override. In the event this was a rotary shifter, guys, and your battery was dead, that still is the way to override your shifter. That has to be. That's the law, I want to say. All right, in this particular car, 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee, you want to find a way to get this in neutral so you can move the car in the event of emergency. This particular one, just lift up on the console part, and this cover right here. Underneath this cover, as soon as I can get it up, you will find a little orange. Look, they made it nice and high colored. Okay, guys, all you do is simply pull up on this. Now, make sure your feet is on the brake, all right, because you will roll. Keep in mind, you're going into neutral. All right, so just grab this cord. Well, there's a lever right here. Now, which begs the question, that we're in an emergency state, right? What make them think you have something pointed on you? Okay, even the key. Some people use their key, but if you have your key, well, I guess that's still a chance your battery dead. But we got to find something to press in it. Is my fingernail long enough? No. So, what do you do, guys? Keep in mind, we're in an emergency state. Don't panic, though. Whatever you do, do not panic. Okay, is this sufficient enough? Let's see. Look at that. Y'all see that? Creative. How creative. Use the very same panel that you removed from the cover to actually release this. But you still would need two hands. Now, you will have two hands if you wasn't holding the camera with your other hands, which is my case right now. So, but y'all see where I'm going with this. Take this edge of this, put it inside of there. You'll see that lever move over. Once you move that lever over and pull up on the yellow string, you can put the car into neutral. All right, so I'm gonna lay the camera down for 1 hot second. All right, y'all see I got it halfway up. I'm about to start rolling, ladies and gentlemen. There's the charger right there. I gotta get out, and I don't wanna go hunt the key down, and the door is unlocked. So just merely pull up on this. All right, guys, y'all see I have it up. Y'all can't see, but I am rolling back, okay? All I need to do is go back far enough to get this white charger out. Right about there, guys. All right, guys, so that's about it right there, guys. So you simply put the cover back on, and you will be good to go. Put that back on secure. Might want to fold the yellow part up. I'll get to that later. And we good to go. All right, now this thing is out of my way. All right, let's go get this charger in, guys. All right, now I got enough room to get out. Okay, back to this, guys. What we're doing here is a recall. Okay, I think the 2009 through 12 had the time and chain recall, guys. Ooh, man, I'm gonna go over the history of this car and its recall, and this one pretty much almost ruined the Dodge Hemi brand altogether, guys. This flaw right here, the reason I'm repairing this recall, I actually can't believe there's still some out there that haven't been done. Okay, now unless some engine work has already been done to that, that's the only reason why, and they just finding out they have a recall. That's why, guys, it's always a good idea. I know there's a bad image about the dealership, but it's always good, guys. See, I can get out now, guys. It's always good to find out or take your car to a dealer, if nothing else, for oil change. Number one thing they're gonna do, guys, at the dealership, every time your car enters, drive on the lane, the number one thing they're gonna do is run your VIN. That will tell them everything they need to know about your car. Guys, even things that will help you, things that are free. such as recalls. I don't know how anybody would have a problem with that. Okay, recalls are free, and on top of that, they are safety issues. That's the whole point of it being a recall. It was determined that the failure or the cause or the problem was safety related. So by law, they have to make it a recall. So I don't understand why people have such a bad taste in their mouth about the dealership. Now, I understand some of it. A lot of it has to do with the length of time that they keep your car, the charges that they charge to repair your car, the amount of work that they recommend your car get done. All of that I can understand. But at the end of the day, every now and then, guys, you need to or you should visit a dealership. Okay. Now, is there things they can do that you can't do? Absolutely. When they run your VIN, pretty much, especially on the new cars, they can automatically tell if there's updates available on anything on your car. The computers, guys, the recalls, any outstanding recall, any what is the word I'm looking for? It's not recall, but notification, rapid transmittal notification. Tom know what I'm talking about. Those are the kind we have to do before we even sell the car. But unfortunately, some of them get past the crack and they eventually get sold without it being done. When you go to visit a dealership, they can tell you you need to get this done and it's free. So guys, don't dog the dealership out so bad to the point where you never go visit them again, because it's in some cases it can be to your advantage to go and visit a dealership. All right, now where's the keys to this thing? Will it even start? See, I don't know if it was towed in or what, because sometimes when these Hemis are towed in for this recall, it's because the damage has been done already. All right, so I don't know if that's this case, but we're about to find out. Hey, sounds good. That's not the case. This one run, which should make this a pretty easy, fairly easy repair. Okay, just removing the timing cover and replacing updated. We're putting updated timing chain guides on it, updated timing chain, a spring, a couple more things come in the package. I will have to remove the complete timing chain cover. All right, and there is nothing to it, guys. I'll go over. This is recall and it's free, so there's no sense in me filming it. I guess I'll see what I can do, but why would you want to learn something that you can get done for free? Well, some people like to watch it, JT. Cut it out. All right, I understand, guys. Some of this stuff is intriguing to some people, and I have no problem showing you, keeping you on my channel with something interesting to see. All right, so let's get in here. I don't want to run it too long, get it too hot, because I'm about to take it apart. So don't just sit here and let it idle, JT. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Sounds good, guys. Let me see. Yeah, that old stuff. Oh, checking the light on, guys. Before I do anything, I will find out. I will scan it. Rightfully so, which is what you should. Okay, you don't want to do a timing chain recall. Yeah, light is on. You give it back to the customer. Well, my light wasn't on until y'all did the recall. No. So I have documentation. That's why they recommended that we do scan reports on every car. So I have gotten in the habit of doing a vehicle scan report on every car. I just built me a database on the computer or a file, a folder, and I save every scan report on every car that I pod. I had to get in the habit of doing that because I once almost got a transmission claim rejected because I didn't include the vehicle scan report. I don't know if you guys in the dealership world or shop or whatever, but that piece of information is crucial to FCA. They will reject the claim, guys. They will refuse to pay for a transmission that a dealership installed just because his paperwork wasn't right. A vehicle scan report was not printed. Now, does that mean the car wasn't broken, they need a transmission? Absolutely not. So why would they do it? I don't understand it. I really don't. And I don't want to speculate because I am not into bad-mouthing the product or the brand. So I'll let you guys do it. If you have a suggestion on why a particular car maker, the warranty claim or warranty company denied claim just because of simple stuff like paperwork, Put it in below, man. I can't speak on it because this is conflict of interest thing. So I'll let you guys speak on it. Tell me what y'all think. Guys, I got work to do, man. All right, let's get out of here. Can't be sitting here chit-chatting with y'all. Where is it? Where's my parts? All right, guys, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll start up another video. We'll bring out the parts. We'll look at it. We'll do some more good fun stuff. All right. So stay tuned, man. Comment, subscribe. Hey, look at that. I'll see y'all in the next video.